Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how I got this springtime look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a springtime look since it is officially springtime, and I will be using this Colourpop Bambi eyeshadow palette. It's a pretty small palette, but I really like it because it is Bambi, and then also, I mean, he's like the representation of spring pretty much, right? And anyways, let's get started. So I've been feeling pretty tired today. I should have drank coffee in the morning because I've had one of those pretty lazy tired days, but I figured since maybe I just need like a little boost right now, maybe now would be a perfect time to try this yerba mate, if that's how you pronounce it, and it says you have to shake it first. And just a forewarning, I am actually using like a bunch of yellow products in this video just because again it matches like the palette, and I may or may not have done that on purpose. Anyways, let's try this. It smells like a minty honey chamomile drink. Oh shit, it does taste like that. I would buy that again actually. Yeah, that's pretty good. But I don't want to drink too much of that because I do have work at 5 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. So to start, I'm gonna apply some Burt's Bees lip balm, and I'm using this because, you know, Bambi's from the forest and this one's like a natural kind of organic brand. Burt's Bees is the best, guys. Don't you guys just love that peppermint feel on your lips? I love that. And then because it has a yellow cap, I'm using the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen along with the NARS Radiance Primer. This is a pink bottle. And lately I've been using that Bobbi Brown face primer, but I feel like I kind of want to take a break because, well, I haven't used these products in a while and they were my favorite. So, and then now of course just blend them in together so it looks like this, and then just slather it onto the face. And then for the eyes, I'm using Morphe's eyelid primer. To use my yellow brushes, I'm gonna use this stubby one from BH Cosmetics just to blend that in onto my eyes. And for foundation today, I'm using the Kosas Skin Improving Foundation. This is SPF 25 and this is in the shade Medium Warm 240. And I never tried this foundation. This is the first time, so I don't know if this is my shade or not, but we're gonna find out. And even if this isn't my shade, I'm just gonna keep going with it because why not? I'm not going anywhere anyways. I'm just doing the makeup for you guys. So this is obviously not my shade. But I don't care. I'm just gonna keep going. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna take this off after I'm done with this look. So anyways, following it up with the Kosas products, I'm using the Kosas concealer, and this is their Revealer Concealer in 05W, and hopefully this will brighten things up more. And I have to say, I really love the applicator on their concealers. It's just so comfortable, and the product is like very creamy, like you feel it gliding on your skin very well. So far the concealer didn't even help in lighting up my face a bit. I mean, I'm not mad at the foundation at all because it feels very moisturizing on my skin. I really like how creamy it feels, kind of like similar to their concealer. And I also like that it does have an expiration date at the bottom of the bottle. That's very good. And looking at the bottle, I'm realizing I did get the medium with warm undertones. I'm more of a neutral person, but I'm gonna put some powder on, and if I end up not liking it that much, like how it looks after, maybe I'm gonna have to take this off, but I really like it. I mean, right now I look like an oily mess, but I mean, again, I haven't put some setting powder on it, so that has a lot to do with it. So anyways, moving on to translucent powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake, and I figured why not? It's cherry blossoms, you know, flowers, spring. So now I'm just going to set my face, but before I do set my face, I'm gonna gonna be using the KKW Beauty Contour Stick, and I recently used this on my pregnant Wanda look and I liked it so much, so I think now I'm actually gonna get into contouring now. And then now I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, so now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna grab this white beige color, and it is called Little April Shower. How cute is that? Just like the song. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And now I'm picking up this warm brown shade, which is called Young Prince, and I'm just going to buff it along my crease. And then with the smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up this brown shade right here, which is called Kinda Bashful. And I'm just going to kind of make a line and just brush it where I applied Young Prince earlier. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I'm just, I guess, kind of taking inspiration from the Wanda video I did earlier. I just want to like carve out my eyeballs, but I don't know. I'll have to like blend it out and then see if I really like that. Okay, now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just try to clean that mess up. So looking at my eyes a little bit more, I think I'm gonna clean them up a bit. I'm gonna do like a cut crease. So I'm just going to apply some concealer to cut the crease with, and grabbing a flat brush, I'm just going to apply it to the center of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to apply this bright yellow shade right here called Feline, and I'm just going to lay that on top of the concealer that we just applied. Okay, and now I'm going to take out the translucent, and after that I'm going to apply this Urban Decay Stay Naked the Fix powder in 40 WY. And so now there's just one more color left to use, and it is Whitetail, which is this dark chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna use that as eyeliner and line my eyes with it. And now I'm taking that same yellow and I'm going to apply it to my tear duct. And now I'm grabbing Kinda Bashful and applying that on my lower lash line. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using these Bambi ones in the name Oh Dear, and they look like this. And here's how the lashes look. They're kind of bugging me from like the inner corner a bit, but I did cut them a little bit so they could fit my eyes better. But looking back, behind me, I forgot to light up my candle, and this is from Bath & Body Works, and it is called Springtime in Paris. And so I'm gonna light it up before I forget, even though it's already like freaking 10 at night right now, but whatever. A little candle never hurt nobody. Also, I really love these lighters. Crocs. And then now continuing on with mascara, I'm of course using the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Now they did have some waterproof ones, but I chose to not get it because it didn't have its little Bambi logo right here. And of course we want that cute packaging, so no. And it looks like this. And I must say the wand kind of reminds me of that 1x1 mascara from Maybelline. Now of course I know this is L'Oreal, but the wand does remind me of that one. And I definitely feel like it opened up my eyes a bit more. So now continuing on with what is this, bronzer, and this is a Kosas bronzer in the shade Escape or the Sun Show. And then now I'm going to apply this Balm Springs blush by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is in the shade called In Full Swing, and I'm just gonna apply that over my nose too, cause why not? And for highlighter, I was gonna use this Physicians Formula Butter highlighter, and it smells amazing, and this was in the shade Champagne, and it's really beautiful. But then I saw the packaging on my Too Faced highlighter, and this is in the shade called Canary Diamond, and it looks like this. and because it is a pastel like packaging, it immediately caught my eye. And not only is it like a bright yellow highlighter, it also has like some pink in there too. So I figured, why not? It's spring, I want something cute and colorful. And now grabbing this tiny brush, I'm going to apply that highlighter on my brow bone. And then for eyebrows today, I'm using this new product by NYX. This is called the Thick It and Stick It Brow Mascara, and apparently it's a thickening one. I got the shade Auburn. I just couldn't find my regular NYX waterproof brow mascara, so I figured, well, I guess I have to try this one, right? And I like how it shows like the Auburn shade on the tube, so it has pretty cute packaging. But it does say it is a vegan formula, and it is also flake, smudge, and transfer resistant. And unlike the one that I was using, this one does offer a Auburn shade. The other one that I was using, it didn't have any Auburn shades at all, so I ended up having to use a shade Chocolate. This one kind of smells chocolatey too. And let's see how it does against my black eyebrows. If you see it, it does look like a auburn color, but hopefully it works just as good as Patrick Starr's. So I don't know how I feel about it. It's alright. I think obviously Patrick Starr's remains in #1 in terms of like giving a good color payoff. This one just makes my brows look, I guess, brown. Maybe there is a hint of color in there, and I may be biased, but I still obviously prefer my other NYX brow gel, but if they discontinued it, then this will have to do. And I do feel like this formula is thicker because then again it is a thickening brow mascara. I kind of feel like it does feel a little bit heavy on my brows, like it kind of feels like I grabbed a glue stick and I just ran it through my brows, but I don't know, maybe I just need to use it more, but so far I guess not bad. And then for lips today, I was looking through my lipsticks and I saw this one. This is a Lipland matte lip crayon, and it is in the shade Gigi, which I got because obviously it's like my name, right? And as you can see, it is like a very pink with purple undertones type of color, and I got this like a long time ago, so I'm not sure if this company is still around, but pretty much the only reason why I grabbed it is because it's called Gigi. And I really like how this color looks, especially with this eye look. I feel like it brings out the yellow, and I also think it's very like a spring Easter type of shade because it's like a purple pink shade, which is not too dark. And frankly also a Bambi, because I'm pretty sure there are like some daisies in the movie like that are this shade. But I'm not gonna stop there yet. I'm going to be using this Kylie Jenner High Gloss in the shade Sweet, and I really like it because it's like pink, but it also reminds me of the highlighter I used right now. It has like some little glitters that are like yellow and kind of purpley, so I'm just going to apply that on top. And I almost forgot, but I wanted to apply like a light peachy shade on my waterline because this is like a Bambi look and I want like my eyes to look kind of Bambi-like. So I'm going to be using the NC15 or NCW20 Studio Chromographic Pencil by MAC, and I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. And then I'm going to take that same brush from earlier and reapply some of that kind of bashful eyeshadow on my waterline. And to finish this look off, I'm just going to apply some Mario Badescu Rose Water Face Mist. And this is the final result, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I decided to just put like a little clip on the side right there just so it could look cute. And funny enough, I think it's so cute how this matches my shirt. I really like the lips, besides thinking they were a little bit too much, but I think it's like the perfect spring shade, and it's also a color I haven't really used lately. I'm glad I remembered to do like that white ivory shade on my lash line because I haven't haven't done that in a while either. And even though the foundation wasn't really my shade, I don't know if it's just me right now, but I feel like it kind of goes with me. Either way, I loved it, and if anything, I would like to get it again, only in like a different shade that's more closer to my skin tone. And other than that, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!